friends, today I am going to prepare plain biryani rice. This is 30 ml of ghee and oil to be mixed. Then this is kesar orange color, and this is long ilachi and pata, and this one onion. Now it has become golden brown. We have to mix 1 teaspoon of garlic and ginger paste, adrak, lasan. Then half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of dhania powder. This is mota namak, half a teaspoon. This is pudina, dhania patta, this is half a kg of rice. Now we have to mix. One bowl, quarter liter of water. अब यह वाटर मिक्स किया है, इसके बाद में ग्रीन चिली मिक्स करेंगे। इसको थोड़ी देर पकने के लिए रख देंगे, कुक होने के लिए। Now I am closing the lid for 5 minutes. Then I am going to slow the flame. I'm going to open the lid. See, it's completely cooked. I'm offing the flame. Thank you for watching Kitchen Homemade Food channel. Please subscribe and do not forget to click on bell icon. Please like and comment once you try the recipe. Thank you.